Mga brother, dumating na! Dumating na yung mga boxes natin. Galing sa land of the rising sun, Japan. So, bubuksan natin. Kasama ko ang aking magandang anak, si Navi. Say hi! Okay, bubuksan natin. Let's open the first box na, Nisan. Okay, you help daddy, ha?
What is he talking about?
I don't know what Boo's talking about. Who give you, Boo? Mami? Open natin, mga brother. Ito na yung unang box. Excited. Are you excited, Nani? Ha?
It's just bubble wrap.
It's just bubble wrap?
Yeah.
Hindi, oh.
Yes.
You will take off the bubble wrap.
Oh. There's also
It's just what?
there's also
Oh,
newspaper.
is this a toy?
I mean, there's newspaper.
Yeah. Uy, galing Japan yung newspaper. You put Boo muna there. Put mo muna si Boo dyan. Oh, di ba? So you can use both of your hands. Oh, grabe. Uy, grabe naman talaga. Oh, ito na. Sarap yan.
Iron Man!
Iron Man! Oo nga, kinaisi. Oh, Iron Man, mga brother. Oh, flash drive na Iron Man. Kilala ni Navi yan. Oh, where you put it there? Yan, dyan sa floor. What's this? Let's open this.
With what?
This one, oh. Peanut. Nakalagay peanut. Is this
Peanut.
Snoopy? Oh, Snoopy!
Snoopy! There's no one!
Yeah. Ang cute. Before nagkaroon tayo nito na mami, no? I think this is ito ay, different line. Itas Nabi? Piano. But it's not working now. Cute naman. You know Snoopy ba? Is Snoopy a dog or a cat? Don't know. Put it there.
But it's a mice.
It's a mice?
Yeah.
Ah! Is Snoopy is a mice?
Yeah.
Hindi, oh. Ano ba? Para ka na sa roller coaster. Tingnan, sino yan? That's Gundam. Who's this?
Batman!
It's Batman. I'll put it there si Batman, mga brother. Batman. Ayan. Mga 12 inches na Batman figures. Who's that? Who's that? Spider-Man! Halos kilala niya na yung mga ina-unbox lagi ng tatay niya. Oh, yeah, open mo yan. Ano yan? Oh my gosh, what is that?
Gosh.
Is that Mr. Potato?
It's
From Toy Story?
Mr. Potato, Darth Vader.
Yeah, oh wow, very good. Ay, grabe. Mr. Potato. Oh, next natin. What's this? I'll put it there na. What's this?
What's that?
Ah!
Oh,
This is the hand of Freddy. Ganda naman mga brother. Grabe naman yan, oh. Yan, oh.
Daddy
Pang
for
ano to? Pang cosplay. What's that? That's a tote bag.
Hot bat.
Yeah, Spidey tote bag. Oh, show them. Oh, ito. Sino to?
Darth Vader.
Oh, Darth Vader. Si Darth Vader lang kilala mo. Ay, may mga Marvel tayo nalalagyan ng phone, no?
Yeah.
iPhone XR. What's that? Who's that? That's an art toy. Mickey na art toy. Can I see? Oh, art toy, mga brother.
Oh my gosh.
Vinyl. What's that? Who's that? That's Green Goblin. Oh, grabe naman to. Ito mga crows.
Daddy, I see a yellow cell.
Ano?
I see a yellow cell.
This one. Who's this? It's just, Harley Quinn and Spidey.
Spidey.
Yeah, mga minifigures. Ano yan? Spider-Man na din. Marami tayong mga Spider-Man na, na merch. Ito mga 3.75 na Star Wars. Hindi natin alam mga brother yung mga yung karamihan ng mga laman dito kaya nagugulat din kami ni Navi.
Daddy.
Who's that? I think this is Crows too. Yeah, this is Crows. Oh, those are posters. Mga brother. Oh. Play Art Sky na Superman. Si Jor-El. What's that? May hinahantay ako na dumating dito. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Abby,
God.
who's this? Who's this? Iron Man. Head bust na resin. Half bust. It looks like you.
Si Mommy.
Ah, si Mami yan. Gremlins. Who's this? Ito. Resin din na, na crows. Daming crows.
No way.
Who's that? Captain America. SH Figuarts. Ito, ano to? Ay. Mga Batman, oh. Who's this? Penguin.
Edwin who? No.
What else? Oh!
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Gosh. You want to take a look inside? Mga brother, kung di ako nagkakamali, ito ay wand. O, nakagay, oh.
Wow.
Albus Dumbledore's wand. Oh! Ice water, Mami! Paano? Say the magic word. Say the magic word.
It doesn't do anything.
Ay, doesn't do anything ba yan? Oh, next. Open.
That's
Ito, Star Wars.
Star
Padme, Queen Amidala. Oh, God.
Daddy.
Hmm.
Oh.
Oh, those are posters. Those are Marvel posters. Put out the all Uy! Another one!
Other, ano?
Kanino to?
Kurino yan.
Kanino to?
Wait. Up.
Kanino to? Kanino sa kabila?
What?
Wala.
What? What?
What's that? Those
You
are...
have this one?
Yeah, posters. Those are posters. I'll put mo yung posters dyan. We'll take it off na. Ano to? Oh, mga crows din to. Mga small crows. Oh! Ay! Spider-Man Life Story. Story by Kip Zdarsky. Yeah.
Daddy, si Iron Man.
Yeah, that's Iron Man. Put it there. Very. Oh, careful. Sira.
Hindi.
Bayad ka. Oh, dami man, oh.
Oh my
And
God.
stickers too, oh.
Teachers.
Labas mo na yung mga ano, anak. Yung mga posters. Mga brother, oh. Hindi ko alam saan nakikita na. Oh. Ayan, may mga names. Who's that? Who's that?
Vader and who?
And Anakin.
Ano what?
Anakin? Ano what? Anakin? Ikaw talaga. Mga brother, second box.
Second 7 bucks.
Anong second 7 box?
After 7 boxes.
Hindi 7 to, no? Parang 9 or 10 boxes nga to, eh. Yeah. Dahil, ano.
Wait
bago
lang
rin.
ha.
Yes. Ayan, oh. Oh. Mga MCF, mga brother. Tapos, Medicom na Lupin. What's that? Oh! Black Series na Mandalorian.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
these are resin. Show them that one. Those are Naruto's.
Ano what?
Show them. Naruto. Show them, Hemo. Resin Head Bust. Spider-Man. Amazing Spider-Man. Venom. Mga brother. Oh, unboxing soon.
Boxing what?
Unboxing what? Third box, Navi. This is the third box.
Kaplor Thailand.
Ha?
Kaplor.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. Star Wars.
Who's that? Darth Maul. So, marami tayong mga 3.75 na Star
Darth
Wars.
Vader.
Darth Maul. Oh. Classic Star Trek. Put all the 3.75 there, please. Carnage. Mga brother, oh. Queen Hive. Aliens. Ito mga vintage na rare figure na to. Lizard sa Spider-Man. Ganda, oh. Toy
That's
Biz.
Spider-Man.
This is the, villain of Spider-Man. I'll put it there. Oh, talaga. Ito na to. Mga 3.75 din and some Batman car.
I like Batman stars.
Likot mo na.
Again.
Ano ba? Magaan-gaan lang eh. Oh. Sabihin nila, pinapahirapan ko anak ko. Woohoo! DS Toys. Ito ay si Alfred, kung di ako nagkakamali. Unboxing soon. What's that? Oh! Trigun! Jubilee, oh. Toy Biz.
No, wait. You have, ano?
Resin. Mga brother, how many boxes na? This is the 4th box.
No.
Excuse me, cutter.
It's the,
Ano?
third box.
3rd box. Kayo nasa 9 ka na. 3rd box ka pa lang. 4th na to. What's this? Oo nga. Hala, puro cute. Mga merch to, mga brother. Mga merch.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Mga merch.
I'm gonna put this in my inside.
Grabe.
I'm gonna put this in my inside.
May bags. Iba-ibang merch, mga brother. Yan, tingnan mo. Kita nyo naman. These are, look oh, sa Toy Story. Sa ano?
Yeah,
Buzz
I like this.
Si Tom. Pag may Tom to, collect sa akin to kasi Cartoon Network. Oh, posket na
Daddy.
Astro Boy. What's that? Oh. What's this?
Mario.
Mario.
Mario, ano?
Mario ano? Mario Maurer. Ito, daming mga merch, mga brother. Yan, diba? Sarap maghalukay ng ganito eh. Mga mushroom. Mga mushroom na nakahiga. Mushroom na nakatayo. Ano to? Daming mushroom. Ooh. The astronaut.
After that. Raymond! Raymond!
Lalagyan ng ano?
Raymond.
Doraemon. Ano si Raymond? Hindi si Raymond yan. Si Doraemon yan. Cash ano, mami? Sige ka mag-ipon. Oh, what's that?
Donald
Donald
Duck.
Duck. Dapat yung mga, ano, mga brother, mga dinosaurs. Posket. Mga usual figures.
Yeah, I will like this.
What's this? Campers Collection.
Yeah, I will like this.
Halo-halo na to, ah. Pero ang grabe, oh.
Yeah, I will
Kuroko.
like this.
Yan? Sino ba yan?
Siya
Sino? Ano to?
Basta siya favorite.
Ang bigat nito, oh.
Oh,
Kiss.
there's no way for me to pass. Oh,
Dami!
no.
Ano yan, ah? May Hero Academia na Chikawa. Chikawa. Can you say Chikawa?
Kiwat.
Chikawa. Ano chiwat? Oh. Ito wala pa ako nakikita itong MJ. Yours na, MJ. Ito sana kompleto. Nakita ko to sa picture eh. 1. Ibang line to eh.
Daddy,
Yes.
I found a dinosaur for you.
Hala. Pang-5 box na natin. Grabe, ang dami. Ang dami pa ron. Sa kalahati pa lang tayo. 9. Pero ano siya, originally 10 boxes siya. Kinompress na lang sa 9. Oh, careful ah. There's some, ito yung mga vintage na robot. So, be careful, okay?
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
These are the bubble wrap as
Ah,
plastic.
sabi na. Grabe. Ito, mga brother card pa lang to. So, most probably nasa loob yung laman nito. Be careful. Mga brother. Ano ni Sharivan? Kapatid ni Shider. Kasama ni Shider. So, nandito to. Sana nandito.
I have this for Yaya na.
Yung mga,
I have this for Yaya na.
Ito yung mga super robot. Ayun, no? Mga brother. Hindi sila in mint condition, pero Oh. hindi sila mint condition. Ito, ano to? Puradera ng Voltes 5.
Daddy,
Oh.
Pokemon to.
Pero may value to. It's Kirby. It's not a Pokemon.
I thought you
Pala
have
siya. Kala ko
Pokemon
Papi yung lalabas.
toys. You have to that Pokemon toys that.
Ayan, oh. Beetleborg, oh. Beetle... Ko.
Is that a Pokemon?
May mga value to mga brother, kahit na parang scrap na itsura nila, pero may value to
Is
mga to.
this a Pokemon?
No, it's not!
A
Ah,
Pokemon.
Power Rangers! Vintage
so
Power
fishy.
Rangers. Medyo napaglipasan na ng panahon, pero still has value. Sana may mga parts dito na kailangan natin.
It's a pig.
Oh, yun oh. So, grabe. Ang daming, ay, uy! Uy, 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 uy.
Pokemon.
Power Rangers.
It's a Pokemon.
But it's heavier. Diecast!
Yeah, I mean that's...
Meron akong ganito Zeo Ranger na motor. Di ba nakita niyo sa mga collections ko ng Power Rangers? Ito, mga brother, ang bigat niya. Bakal siya.
Hindi.
Pasensya na kayo sa akin.
Hindi.
Bakal siya.
Hindi. She's Snorlax.
So, ang daming mga vintage robots dito.
Esther.
Ito yata yun, yung kanina. Yung ano,
I put stopping up.
yung kay Sharivan.
Daddy, I think you can...
Ito nga yun.
I think Daddy.
Ha?
Daddy, I think you can display this.
Mga brother, diecast to.
I
Okay.
think this.
Sige. Later na, after na. Oh, mga brother, diecast to. Scharinger tank. And then, ano to?
You check it. If it's a robot.
It's a, Jeep. An old type.
Jeep!
Ito, ano to? Kasi may mga childhood toys kasi na, alam mo yun? Ayun, oh. Oh, sabi na eh, childhood toy to eh. Alam mo ba to? Mga brother, oh. Buksan natin para sa inyo, ha?
Pokemon.
Pero di ako napapa... Ay!
Tara, see?
What?
Ito, Pokemon.
Tapos yun, ay, grabe.
Am I
Childhood to.
Unicorn?
Ayun, oh, mga
Am
brother,
I
oh.
Unicorn?
Those were the days. Familiar? Hindi. Di mo na kasi ira talaga eh. Alam na mga kuya mo eh.
This is so many bots. Dapat you get one box.
Dami ko mga, grabe. Mga made in Japan, mga brother na vintage robot. What's this? Truck.
Oh my God, it's a Pokemon.
It's not a Pokemon.
But it is a Pokemon. Check.
RC. Mga vintage RC, mga brother. Made in Japan na.
Pokemon.
Mga brother, how many boxes na pang ilan to?
6.
6 box. Open natin. Let's open! Oh, Marvels. And Gundam. What's that? Mga Spider-Man figures, Batman figures, ayan.
Sinabi, oh.
Spider-Man!
Yeah! Gusto mo ito? Yeah! Ayaw mo? Sige. Ayaw mo.
Because it's too white.
Ha?
It's too white.
Ano is too white? Nightmare
Disney,
Before
oh.
Christmas.
Disney.
Where? Oh. Who's that?
Nemo. At a shark. At Dory. At a turtle.
Oh. Mom Spaghetti.
Spaghetti toy?
Yeah. Spaghetti toy.
Oh yeah, hamster time.
Mom Spaghetti.
Hamster time. Hamster time.
Can I see? I cannot see kasi you're dancing. Hindi ko kilala to. Sino to? Multiman. Parang Cartoon Network, no? Final Fantasy. Ito mga Gundam figures. Ayan. RX 78. Ayan, dami. Mga Gundam figures. Ang dami.
Yeah. Daddy.
Ang kalat na naman ng bahay.
Daddy.
Yeah, who's that? Can I see? Oh, Professor Xavier. Hindi ko siya kilala.
No way.
This one is maganda. Oh,
No,
Iron
this
Man.
one first. What do you
And Mandarin. Huh? That's Captain America.
At what's this?
Loki. And Kotobukiyan and Thor. Si Ping. Final Fantasy. Fantastic Four. Okay. Oh, maganda ngayon yan kasi may movie sila lalabas. 1/6 scale na G.I. Joe collection. Vintage collection. Pepsi Cup. Ay, kumpleto sila, mami. Parang feel ko, this is for keeps. Coleman, Multiman, and Fluid Man. The Impossibles.
There's one more left.
Redeemer.
He what?
Redeemer, Rim what?